Alright guys, welcome to hopefully another fun unboxing. Let's see what we have in the package today. Let me zoom down real quick and see what we've got here. Hopefully this is what I'm thinking it should be. If it is, it's great because it could be a good addition, something that we can connect up to the other system that I just recently got. So comes in a fantastically beaten up box, and it is a Bluetooth speaker. It is pretty heavy, which means you probably won't put it on a drone. You could if you really wanted to, but it would have to be a very strong drone such as the Avata. The Avata can lift all kinds of stuff apparently. So it is so small. Look at that. This form factor is brilliant. But most importantly, what it has that I was looking for was
likey